Vegetable fried rice. Anybody who don't like eating vegetables should try this once. I welcome you back to the coastal kitchen. Come, learn with me. Add 1 chopped tomato. For 5 spring onion. 1 chopped carrot. 1 chopped onion. 1 spoon pepper powder. 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup. Mince it using chopper. In a pan, add oil. Scramble 5 eggs using pepper powder. Once it is ready, keep it aside. Add oil in a pot. Add 6 to 8 cloves of crushed garlic. Sauté it until raw pungency disappears. Add 1 chopped onion. Sauté it until it turns transparent. Add 1 chopped tomato, 2-3 chopped layers of cabbage. Sauté it until all these turn soft. Now add those minced veggies. Add turmeric powder, chili powder, jeera powder, coriander powder, and salt. Now add pre-cooked rice to it. You can use basmati rice too. Mix it lightly to avoid getting mashed. Once it gets mixed, add scrambled eggs. Add chopped spring onion. 1 spoon of chili flakes. Give it a good mix. I have avoided different types of sauces to keep it healthy enough. You can add any homemade sauces. Now it's ready to be served. Serve it hot. Can make this recipe with leftover rice too. Can add more of your favorite veggies. Also can add rajma. If you like this recipe, then please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.